When they dry out, they probably stick. What I think you should have done, I think it tells you
to spray them.
No, to before you put them on, wash it with alcohol.
Oh, what, wine? Rum? Whiskey?
Pure rum.
We're not wasting whiskey.
Oh, there's the what's it? Cruising club launch working.
Yeah.
So we're all right.
The thing about Conway, Don, the tide comes in quite fast, doesn't it? So if you look out there, look, you can see there's them two big yachts. About 7 knots, if you're lucky. It's not a place to be messing around because engine goes, you're under that bridge, as you see, one that's under the bridge. If his mooring strop goes, that boat will be through there. That is fast today. We've actually been here, haven't we, Don? We've been going out and got to the bar and seen speedboats that couldn't even make it over the bar around that corner. Yeah. And they've turned back and we ploughed through with a little diesel.
The trouble is, those boats are that light, you know.
Yeah.
We got it?
Yeah.
Trees, doesn't it? It's just bent there. Good.
And down the river with views of the Great Dome, standing over the gangway.
How are you?
Hey, on the boat, less than 2 minutes before we...
Going on that long, yeah. Ta-da.
And this is the last call for this sailor's boat ready to go now. So the trip here aboard Queen Victoria. Lord down River Sail, and we are ready to leave. Being got it full commentary on this fully guided boat.
Right, Muppets.
I'm bleeding knackered.
He'd have gone without them though.
Yeah.
You got your phones there, Don, watch out. You're touching your phone. Put it in reverse. Don, try not to hit anything. Alan. This is Alan's first time out on his boat. We're going out for the sail today. First time. There's Happy Don. Don, you're a bit close to these boats. Whoa. You're not going out yet. Another Westerly. Hey?
Get back here in a minute, get the rubber on.
Right. Right. Yeah, I think Alan's quite capable of doing it.
What?
Alan's capable of doing that.
Where are you going down the middle of there? Just wait until we get...
Just give it him. There's a boat we was going to buy. It was very cheap actually. It's about 35 feet, bloke built it himself. No for sale sign, so we may have sold it now. It's been stood there a long time. That's Don's old boat. Gabriella! Hey! Gabriella! It's in better condition now. That used to be Don's, that. Right. Hey, anybody staying in the boat? Oh no, you might know. He's like that on the motorway. That's the first boat we missed, we should have. Whoa! Scary Alan, where's Scary Alan going? Oh no. Don's in charge now. Too many captains on this boat.
Shut up.
Whoa! Are you a bit closer? Yeah. Yeah, we went into a cafe and there was a quiz competition on. You know something? We got everyone wrong. Oh, no, we got about one right. There's only 200. Only 200 questions. We got one right. What's your name?
Where are you?
And it was only me that got that. Don failed on that one. Hey, come back! You've left good-looking Pete.
All morning.
What are you going to do? Drive by? Must have been something I said. We're going to get the sails up in a minute. See you soon. What you say?
Talking about you, not talking to you.
Hey, no swearing. What you say?
They don't like it when you get coffee.
What is this? I'm telling you. Keep the shit out of the way, will you? Ship shape.
Speed again on them. Just not moving with these sails.
Moving enough.
Back on the end.
Oh, so you don't only want good weather.
That's something to do with the antidote. That's amps and water temperature, I think.
Could be an oil one there.
Or oil.
I'd probably like
Oil
it.
pressure.
You need a new piece of plastic, don't you?
Yeah.
So there's a question for you.
What?
You know those two handles there? One of them you said is choke.
Yeah, top one's a joke, the bottom one's a stop.
Well, what's that thing in the middle?
Oh, we don't know about that. You better ask the Westerly Owners Club. Look at the state of it. Look, that was clean. Who done that?
You.
Who done it?
You. Putting a cup of coffee down in the corner of the road.
That's the boy there, the green one.
That's the
Oh,
girl.
scary. Scary, he's a bit close to it. You see them dints on the side? That's where he hit it. There's a piece of paper on there somewhere with some insurance details on it. No, there isn't. Oh, don't jump, Alan. Whatever you do. It's being sick.
It throws it out in bumps, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's being sick. There's a jet skiing over there, Don.
Yeah.
4.5 miles in front of you. Watch him. Man, the wind's actually starting to come up now.
Yeah, we're getting a bit in the sails now. So
Yeah.
it's,
There's the entrance to Conway. And just head through these two.
yeah.
Head through these two boys now. Head through these two boys now. And then go through the perch. You probably can't hear me because I just forgot that the wind's too bad on this. I'll put the external microphone on next time. That's the type of stuff you don't want to be hitting. Branches, half a tree. We actually seen half a tree about half hour ago. Yeah, there's a lot of debris. That's because it's the highest tide this month. Must be washing up from the shore. Nice jetty. You,
Is that jetty? Anybody?
that's council one, that.
That's the council launching
Yeah.
thing, look, and there's the jetty.
Nice jetty there if you need to get anybody on who's a bit infirm, like Alan or Don,
Well, even if you just come down and have a fucking
or even
cup of tea
wheelchair.
and a cup of coffee.
Yeah, you could get a wheelchair down there, couldn't you? Not that you get it on the boat, you have to lift the wheelchair
That's
on
the
the boat.
dogging spot, isn't it?
Where's the dogging spot? There's Alan's favourite dogging spot. Hello, doggers! How are you doing? He's waving back. Alan, do you know him?
Which, where are we now, Pete? Because I don't know.